Hey guys, this is Sonic 3D Blasted here. I'm on the 168th Street bound C local train. We're on Fulton Street, and next stop's going to be Chamber Street. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to 42nd Street for Authority Bus Terminal.
This is Chambers Street. Transfer is available to the 2, 3, R, and W trains.
Okay, we are now leaving 34th Street Penn Station. That means the next stop is 42nd Street for Authority Bus Terminal.
This is 42nd Street for Authority Bus Terminal. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 7, A, E, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to Port Authority Bus Terminal. This is an accessible station. The ramp is at the center of the platform.
Alright, we're at 42nd Street. You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blasted. I'll see you next time.